Hello students, welcome back to second session on permutation and combination. In this session, we are solving simple problems on permutation. So let me move towards illustration 18.3. Just look at this problem. In how many ways can the letter of the word daughter be arranged so that vowels may never be separated? See, they asked in how many ways the letter in the word daughter can be arranged so that vowels may never be separated. Means vowels must be together. So you know that. What are vowels? How many vowels are there? So A, E, I, O, U are vowels. So there are 5 vowels. But in this word, there are how many vowels? You just see A is there, U is there, E is there. Totally 3 vowels are there. Remaining letters are consonants. D, G, H, T, R. So totally there are 5 vowels A, E, I, O, U. But in this word daughter there are 3 vowels and 5 consonants. So they said that they asked us in how many ways we can arrange the letter in the word daughter so that vowels never be separated. Now these 3 vowels are fixed, other 5 consonants are 5 different elements. So 5 plus 1 means 6. So in 6p6 way we can arrange the letters. 6 letters can be arranged in 6p6 way. So 6p6 means 6 factorial means 720 ways. See, we took all vowel as 1 letter, remaining consonants as 5 letters. 5 plus 1 means 6. So there are 720 ways of arranging 6 letter. What are the 6 letter? 5 consonants plus 1 vowel. 3 vowels as 1 letter. So, but there are how many vowels? 3 vowels. So, there are 3 ways to set in. So, 3p3. 3 into 2 into 1 means 6 ways. So, when we multiply, try to understand 720 ways with 6 ways, you will arrive at how many ways in which letters in a word daughter can be arranged so that vowels never be separated. So there are 4,320 ways. See, if it is confusing, you do one thing. If there is a question like that, so we should not separate vowels. In such a way, we should arrange letters in word daughter. So there are how many vowels in this word? There are what is that? 3 vowels. So means you should take the 3 vowels. The 3 vowels is fixed now. You take it as 1 letter. Remaining 5 consonants 5. So 5 plus 6 into, there are how many vowels? 3. So 3 into 3. 5 plus 6 means, 5 plus 1 means 6. 6p3 into 3p3 is the answer for this question. So then what will be the answer? 4,320 ways. You just to look at this next one so that you will understand how I solved the previous one. A family of 4 brothers and 3 sisters is to be arranged for a photograph in one row. In how many ways can they be seated if all sisters sit together? See, here sister, there it was vowel. So vowel should not be separated. Here sisters should not be separated. Now sister is fixed. So 3 sisters is taken as 1 unit. 4 brothers, 4 different units. 4 plus 1 is 5. So 5p5 into, there are how many sisters? 3 sisters. 3p3. 5p3 into 3p3 is the answer. Means 5 factorial into 3 factorial. Answer is 120 into 6. Answer is how much? 720 ways. Similar to the previous problem. There, in how many ways we can arrange letters in the word daughter so that vowels should not be separated. In this problem, in how many ways we can make seating arrangement for 4 brothers and 3 sisters so that sisters should not be separated. Did you get my point? So, just look at this. There are 6 books on economics, 3 on mathematics, 2 on accountancy. In how many ways can these be placed on a shelf if books on the same subject are to be together? So there are how many books of economics? 6. So how can we arrange? We should arrange in such a way that, so that books of same subject should be together. Books of economics should be together. Books of mathematics should be together. Books of accountancy should be together. But in last two problem, only sisters must be together. Only ovals must be together. But here, all three must be together. If that is the case, what we have to do is, economics should be taken as one unit. Mathematics should be taken as another unit. Accountancy should be taken as another unit. Totally 3 units. So 3P3 into, there are how many books of economics? 6. 6P6 into 3 books of mathematics. 3P3 into how many books of accounts? 2P2. So 6 into 720 into 6 into 2. 3P3 means 3 factorial. 3 into 2 into 1. 6P6 means 6 factorial. 6 into 5 into 4 into 2 3 into 2 into 1. 3P3 means 3 factorial. 3 into 2 into 1. 2P3 means 2 factorial. 2 into 1. So totally how many ways? 51,840 ways. Did you get my point? For example, assume that there are 6 sisters and 3 brothers. We should make an arrangement in such a way that brothers and sisters should not be separated. Means, brothers should be together, sisters should be together. They should not be separated. If the question like that, there are 6 brothers, 3 sisters. So we should fix both brothers and sister. Totally 2 unit. 2P2 into how many brothers? 6 brothers. 6P6 into how many sister? 3 sister. 3P3. That is the answer. Did you get my point? This is how. So when they talk about something, see, in illustration 18.3, they said that ovals should not be separated. Then ovals should be fixed. In illustration 8.4, they said that sisters should not be separated. Sisters should be fixed. In illustration 18.5, they said that all books of same subject should be together. So all 3 subjects are fixed. Did you get my point? This is how to arrive at the answer. Just look at the next one. In how many ways can letter of the word assassination be arranged? So, in how many ways the letter in the word assassination be arranged? You just look at this assassination and daughter, which we had in 18.3. In the word daughter, not even single letter get repeated. But in the word assassination, how many letters get repeated? A get repeated. How many times? 3 times. S get repeated 4 times. Then I get repeated 2 times. N get repeated 2 times. So when we have word where certain letters get repeated and they ask us to identify ways in which letters in such word can be arranged, then the formula is, try to understand, the formula is total number of letters. There are how many letters are there? 13. So 13P3, 13. That means 13 factorial divided by how many letters get repeated? There are 3 repetition of A, 3P3. 4 times repetition of S, 4P4, 1 time repetition, 2 times repetition of I, 2P2, then 2 times repetition of N, so means 2P2. So 13P13 means 13 factorial divided by 3 factorial, 4 factorial, 2 factorial, 2 factorial. So 13P3 divided by 3P3 into 4P4 into 3, 2P2 into 2P2. So 13 factorial means 13 into 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Have everything in detail. So then 3 factorial means 3 into 2 into 1. 4 factorial means 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 2 2 factorial means 2 into 1. Again 2 factorial means 2 into 1. So when you multiply numerator and when you have a product of numerator and product of denominator, the answer is, and when you divide the product of numerator by product of denominator, the answer is how many ways? 1,81,800,000 ways of arranging letters in the word which is there in assassination. Do you get my point? See, just look at the next one. In how many ways can the letter in the word balloon be arranged so that the two L's do not come together? Two L's do not come together. Again, there are L repeated twice, O repeated twice. No. So, there are how many letters? There are 7 letters. L occurs 2 times, O occurs 2 times. The number of arrangement of 7 letters in the word. Let me see how can we arrange 7 letters. So, 7 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 2 factorial. There are 1,260 ways of arranging the letters of balloon. But they said that 2L should not come together. No, should be arranged so that 2L should not come together. If the 2L come together, taking them as one letter, we have how many arrangements? How many letters? 6 letters. So, but O occurs how many times? 2 times. So, 6 factorial divided by 2 factorial is 360 ways. So, number of ways in which all 7 letters can be arranged is 1260 ways. Number of ways in which all 6 letters where L come together is 360 ways. So 1260 ways minus 360 ways will be the answer for number of ways in which we can arrange letters in balloon so that L do not come together. First we should not concentrate on condition. We will see how many ways in which we can arrange the letter. Just like assassination, we have to arrange balloon, letters in balloon. So in assassination it was 6P6 divided by 3P3 into 4P4 into 2P2 into 2P2. Here there are 7 letters. 7P7 divided by 2 letters get repeated twice. 2P2 into 2P2 means 7 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 2 factorial, 1260 ways. So when we should see that L should come together. You just see, sisters should come together. You just remember that problem where we saw that sister come together. Sister is fixed. Now we'll see L should come together. We'll see. So means L is fixed. If L is fixed, total number of letters is 1 plus 5, 6. So there are 6 ways. But again L is fixed but O is not fixed. So O repeated twice. 6 factorial divided by 2 factorial, 360 ways. So there are how many ways? 1260 ways of arranging all letters in word balloon. But there are 360 ways of arranging letters in balloon where L will be together. So total ways of arranging the letters in balloon, word balloon, minus total ways of arranging letters in balloon so that L will be together is 360. So when you deduct 360 from 1260, you will arrange in how many ways we can arrange letters in balloon so that L should not be together. So there are how many ways? 900 ways. In how many ways can 3 girls and 5 boys arrange in a row so that all 3 girls should be together? It is just like that problem where we saw we have to arrange brothers and sisters. See, girls are fixed now. You have to take it as one unit. 5 boys, 5 plus 1 is 6. So 6P6 is 720 ways into girls should be together. 3P3 means 6. 720 into 6 means 4320 ways. Now, 6 papers are set in an examination of which 2 are mathematical in how many different order can the paper be arranged so that the two mathematical paper are together, two mathematical paper are not consecutive. So, there are how many papers? 6 papers. So, 6 p 6 means 720 ways, of which mathematical paper should be together. There are how many mathematical paper? 2 mathematical paper. Let me take it as 1. 2 plus 4. 2 will be taken as 1. 1 plus 4 means 5. 5 p 5 ways. 120 ways. So of keep what is that? Arranging the 6 paper where mathematics will be together. Try to understand. The total ways of arranging 6 paper is 720 ways. If the total if 2 mathematical paper are to be together, we can consider it as one lot and have to arrange 5 papers. So means 5p5 120 ways. Having done this, the 2 mathematical paper can be arranged among themselves in 2p2 ways, that is 2 ways. 2 into 120 means 240 ways. So that there are 240 ways of arranging all the 6 papers where mathematics will be together. So where mathematics are not together means 720 minus 120. So that is 600 ways. 720 minus 120. So together is 120. No, try to understand. 2 mathematical can be arranged among themselves is 2 ways. Hence the number of ways in which 2 mathematical papers are together is 2 into 120. That is 240. So 720 minus 120. So will become 600 ways. See, we saw one problem where economics should, all 3 papers should be together. Sorry, all 3 subjects should be together. Then what we do? 6p6 into I think so we did in the same way 3 we took all 3 papers as 3 unit 3p3 into 6p6 into 3p3 into 2p2. So all books are together. Try to understand, but here that is not the case. So when we set all 6 papers together, taking mathematics as all 6 papers as together, there are how many ways? 720 ways. If you consider only mathematics together and other 5 papers along with the mathematics, where in such a way we are arranging, so mathematics should be together means mathematics is fixed. So 2 papers of mathematics should be taken as 1 unit. Another 5 paper, 5 plus 1 means other 4 paper, 4 plus 1 means 5. So 5p5 means 120 ways. But there are how many mathematics? 2 mathematics book. So 2 into 2p2 means there are 2 ways of arranging 2 mathematics paper. So 120 ways into 2 is equal to 240 ways. So this is how we can arrange mathematical paper together. The number of ways in which 2 mathematical paper are not consecutive means total ways of arranging the paper 720 minus, if the 2 mathematical paper are together, then we can do in how many ways? 120 ways. So 720 minus 120 is equal to 600 ways. Look at this. A person has 5 shirts, 5 pants. In how many ways he can be dressed? So there are how many pants and how many shirts? 5 pants and 5 shirts. So 5p5 means 5 factorial. The number of ways of wearing shirts is, we can wear only one shirt. So not 5p5, it is 5p1. So 5p1 means 5 factorial divided by npr. You just remember n minus r. So 5 minus 1. So 5 minus 1 means 4 factorial. There are 5 ways. The number of ways of wearing a pant is also 5p1. There are 5 ways. The number of ways of wearing shirt and pant is 5 into 5 means 25 ways. We cannot wear all pants together, all shirts together. We can arrange all mathematics books together, all economics books together. Then it is 2 5, if there are 5 economics books, 5P5, if there are 6 mathematics books, 6P6. But here that is not the case. We cannot take 5P5. It is 5P1. We can wear shirt only once. One shirt once. Did you get my point? We cannot wear all 5 shirts. So he is having 5 shirts, 5 pants. In how many ways he can be dressed? He can be dressed in 5 ways by wearing shirts, in 5 ways in wearing pants. So 5 into 5 means 25 ways. So this is all about calculation of number of ways in which shirts and pants are number of ways in which that person can be dressed by making use of that shirts and pant. Now look at problem number 9. If NPR is 120, find N. We know that NPR means what? N factorial divided by N minus R factorial. So if R is also N factorial divided by N minus N factorial. So n factorial divided by 0 factorial, it is always 1. N factorial divided by 1 is equal to n factorial. So try to understand, n is equal to how much? That is what they asked. So 120 NPR is equal to 120. If R is also n, 120 is equal to n factorial. So let me see how to calculate n. So what we have to do is, we know that, listen carefully, we should divide 120 by 1. We should start with 1. 120 times is 1. Then we should divide it by 2. 260 times is 120. Then we have to divide it by 3. 20 times is 60. Then we have to divide it by 4. 5 times 20. That's all. Listen carefully. Again now we have to divide it by 5 so that we will arrive at 1 time. We should not again arrive answer as 1. We should stop here. So 5 is to 4 is to 3 is to 2 is to 1 is 120. Then n is how many factorial? How much factorials? So it is 5 factorial. So if NPN is 24, find n. So we are assuming NPR, it is not n, NPR is equal to 20. We are assuming R as n factorial divided by n minus n factorial divided by 0 factorial, n factorial divided by 1 is n. 24, you should start dividing it by 1, 124s are, again the 24 should be divided by 2, 2 12s are, the 12 should be divided by 3, 3 4s are. We should stop here, 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, so is 24, so n is equal to 4. See here, there is one more question. If 7PR is 840, find R. What is 7PR? 7 factorial divided by 7 minus R factorial. 7 factorial we know, 7 minus R factorial we don't know. Because 7 we know, but R we do not know. That's why 7 minus R factorial is equal to 840. So when we calculate 7 factorial, answer is 5040 divided by 7 minus R is equal to 840. When we cross multiply, 840 into 7 minus 840 into 7 minus R factorial is equal to 5040. 7 minus R factorial is equal to 5040 divided by 840. 7 minus R factorial is 5040 divided by 840. 7 minus R factorial is 6. Try to understand. 7 minus R factorial will become 6. So 6 is equal to, how can we arrive at 6? 3 into 2 into 1. So 7 minus R factorial is 3 factorial. R factorial is equal to 3 minus 7 factorial. So R factorial is equal to 4 factorial. So R is equal to 4. R is equal to 4. So this is how to calculate R. So we have N, we do not have R, we have NPR, that is 840. When we simplify, we will arrive 7 minus r factorial as 6. When you divide 6 by 1, 1 6 are. When you again divide that 6 by 2, 2 3s are. Again you cannot. So 3 into 2 into 1 is 7 minus r factorial. 3 into 2 into 1 means 3 factorial. So 7 minus r factorial is equal to 3 factorial. Minus r factorial is equal to 3 factorial minus 7 factorial. Minus r factorial will become minus 4 factorial. So r is equal to 4 factorial. This is how to arrive at the answer.